Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace window regulator Dodge Avenger. Full guide. Disconnect the battery and remove the door panel to access the regulator. Then take photos of connections for reference. Loosen mounting bolts. Detach the regulator from the window. Carefully lower the glass and support it. Install the new regulator. Reconnect wiring and test operation. And finally reassemble the door panel and verify smooth up and down travel. Start by lowering the window, removing screws and trim clips, and gently prying the panel away to expose the interior, keeping track of fastener locations, labeling any connectors, freeing the door handle cable, and setting the panel aside safely to avoid damage or scratches while you work on the regulator assembly. Also remove vapor barrier carefully and inspect for rust or worn clips before proceeding to regulator removal, and set tools in order. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more DIY guides. Also check out a product I love, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fun read to consider while you wait for parts. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Support the glass with tape or a helper. Unbolt the old regulator and disconnect the motor wiring. Remove the regulator from the door cavity carefully, comparing the old and new parts. Transfer any brackets or clips. Pre-fit the new regulator. Loosely install bolts. Reconnect motor wiring. Operate the motor to align glass and tighten bolts gradually. Verify smooth full travel, and secure all fasteners and connectors before reattaching the panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.